Very good morning. You're watching Today in Parliament with me, Aishwarya, and here are the Parliament headlines first. Rajya Sabha is scheduled to take up 9 bills today, including the Indian Institute of Information Technology Laws Amendment Bill 2020, the Essential Commodities Amendment Bill 2020, the Company Amendment Bill 2020, and the Banking Regulation Amendment Bill 2020. Also listed for consideration and passing in the upper house, the National Forensic Science University Bill 2020 and the Rashtriya Raksha University Bill 2020. Appropriation bills slated to be taken up for consideration and return. Lok Sabha to have 3 significant bills related to labour reforms, including the Industrial Relations Code 2020 and the Factoring Regulation Amendment Bill 2020. Report of the Committee on the Welfare of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes to be also presented in the lower house. First up, a look at the legislative business in the Rajya Sabha today. Several important bills are listed in the House today for consideration and passing. The Indian Institute of Information Technology Laws Amendment Bill 2020 is listed for consideration and passing in the upper house. This bill amends the Indian Institutes of Information Technology Act 2014 and the Indian Institutes of Information Technology Public-Private Partnership Act 2017. The Essential Commodities Amendment Bill 2020 is listed in the upper house today for consideration and passing. This bill amends the Essential Commodities Act 1955. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will move the following bills for consideration and passing. These include the Companies Amendment Bill 2020 and the Banking Regulation Amendment Bill 2020, the Appropriation Number 3 Bill 2020, the Appropriation Number 4 Bill 2020, and the Taxation and Other Laws Relaxation and Amendment of Certain Provisions Bill 2020 will be moved for consideration and return by the Finance Minister. Also listed in the House is the National Forensic Sciences University Bill 2020, aimed to establish the National Forensic Sciences University as an institution to promote studies and research in forensic science for consideration and passing. And the Rashtriya Raksha University Bill 2020 to establish the Rashtriya Raksha University is also listed for consideration and passing in the upper house. And now we look at the legislative business in the Lok Sabha. In the business listed to be taken up today, Santosh Kumar Gangwar is scheduled to move the following bills for consideration and passing. The Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020, the Industrial Relations Code 2020, the Code on Social Security 2020. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is listed to move the Factoring Regulation Amendment Bill 2020 to be taken up for consideration and passing. All right, Kriti Mishra, our colleague, is now joining us live from Parliament. A very good morning, Kriti. Kriti, talking about Rajya Sabha first, Rajya Sabha yesterday witnessed repeated adjournments as the opposition protested the suspension of 8 MPs. Also, the House was adjourned for the day as the suspended members refused to leave despite repeated requests. And Rajya Sabha is scheduled to take up 9 bills today, including the appropriation bills that are slated to be taken up for consideration and return. How do you look at the day likely to pan out in the Rajya Sabha? Kriti, can you hear me? Kriti, I was asking you that, yesterday there were repeated adjournments that were seen in Rajya Sabha. The upper house could not transact any business. Today, there are 9 bills slated to be taken up in the upper house. How do you look at the day likely to pan out? All right, we'll try to connect back with our reporter, Kriti Mishra, who's joining us from Parliament. But it is going to be a very important day. Remember, Rajya Sabha yesterday witnessed repeated adjournments because the opposition was protesting the suspension of 8 MPs. They have been suspended for their unruly behavior in the House on Sunday during the passage of 2 key farm bills. And yesterday, the House was adjourned for the day as the suspended members refused to leave. Kriti Mishra is with us at the moment. Kriti, how do you look at the day likely to pan out in the Rajya Sabha? Because there are 9 bills that are listed in the upper house. And yesterday, unfortunately, the Rajya Sabha could not transact any legislative business. How do you look at the day in Rajya Sabha today?
Well, Aishwarya, talking about the day's agenda, there are several bills that are listed to be taken up in the Rajya Sabha today. And of course, another which is very important bill is the Essential Commodities Bill that seeks to put several items, including the cereals, pulses, potatoes and onions, to delist them from the essential commodities list. And also a very important aspect of the bill is to ensure that there's no stockpiling limit. So this is a very important bill that will be taken up in the Rajya Sabha today that seeks to ensure that the farmers' income that goes up, and also to invite or attract private investment in the field of agriculture with development of logistics and warehouses. And talking about other bills, as you know, 2 important bills would be moved by Nirmala Sitharaman, Corporate Affairs or Finance Minister, which is also the Corporate Companies Amendment Bill, and also another important bill, which is the Banking Regulation Bill that seeks to put the cooperative banks under the supervision of RBI, and also Companies Amendment Bill that seeks to further enhance ease of doing business in India. There's also IIIT Amendment Bill, and also important bills are listed for consideration and return. These are the money bills, including the Appropriation Bill, and also the Taxation Bill that would be taken up in the Rajya Sabha today. Aishwarya?
Right, and Kriti, speaking about Lok Sabha, yesterday again we saw Epidemic Diseases Amendment Bill 2020 cleared. Also 2 other bills were cleared related to medicine late last night yesterday. And today there are 3 significant bills, and these bills are related to the labor reforms that are seen on Lok Sabha's agenda. And there is also a report of the Committee on Welfare of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes to be presented in the lower house. So, huge legislative agenda in the lower house as well. All right. I think we've lost connection with our reporter there. Thank you so much, Kriti, for all those updates on the Rajya Sabha's legislative business. And in the other legislative business in the upper house, the papers related to the following ministries are going to be tabled. Now, these include the Ministry of Textiles, the Ministry of Ayush, Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions, and the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, as well as the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, and the Ministry of Communications as well. Also listed is a report on the welfare of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes on reservation for and employment of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in New Delhi Municipal Council. That will be presented by members Ram Kumar Verma and Kanta Kardam. And also, following ministers are scheduled to make statements in the House today. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence on demands for grants 2018-19, on capital outlay on defence services, procurement policy and defence planning, demand number 21. Dr. Harshvardhan on the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare on demands for grants 2018-19, demand number 5. Hardeep Singh Puri will make a statement on the status of implementation of recommendations in the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on demands for grants 2020-2021. Danve Rao Sahab Dada Rao will make a statement on the status of implementation of recommendations in the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution on demands for grants 2019-2020. Anurag Singh Thakur will make a statement on the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance on Demands for Grants 2020-2021. Ratan Lal Kataria will make a statement on the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources on Demands for Grants 2019-2020 and 2020-2021. Som Prakash will make a statement on the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on Demands for Grants 2020-2021. And with that, we wrap up this edition of Today in Parliament. Keep watching Rajya Sabha TV. Up ahead is Sansad Mein Aaj.